Do you want a six-pack? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a six-pack exercise routine that takes less than 5 minutes, all right? You heard right, 5 minutes. So if you want a six-pack, keep watching this video. Oh my gosh, that burns. Oh my gosh, that burns so bad. Alright, so before I get started, I just need to inform you that you need to follow me on Instagram, okay, @2StayInShape. I'm posting some incredible content on it that demonstrates my calisthenic exercises, alright? I mean, I'm doing exercises like the back lever, the front lever, the handstands, the back flips. I mean, some incredible things that I'm sure you will love to see, alright? So after this video, make sure you follow me on Instagram, okay? So to the six-pack routine, okay? Basically, this six-pack routine lasts about 5 minutes. It includes 3 exercises, all right? But before we get into the six-pack routine, I just need to inform you that you need to practice good dieting habits, all right? See, the only way to lose weight, all right, is to practice good dieting habits. You can exercise your butt off, right? You can exercise every day, 7 days a week, all right? But if you eat like crap, then you're not gonna see the results that you're looking for, all right? So make sure before you start your six-pack exercises that you practice a good dieting routine, okay? So, to the six-pack routine, okay? Basically, we're doing 3 exercises. Each exercise targets your upper, lower, and your obliques. You see this, all right? This is the results of doing the exercises that I'm about to show you, okay? Now, for the upper abs, we're going to do an exercise called a high crunch.
All right, do it as fast as you could, okay? Make sure you're breathing.
And for the lower abs, we're going to do the leg raises.
You could, make sure you're breathing, okay? Do not touch the floor, all right?
And for the obliques here, we're going to do the toe touch.
As you could, okay? Take deep breaths.
In my prior videos, I always had a rep count, okay? But in this routine here, we're going to do as many as we could, all right, for 20 seconds, okay? So you need to do as many as you could with 100% effort for 20 seconds, okay? And we're doing this for 3 sets, all right? So 3 sets for each exercise, total is 9 sets. And in between sets, we're going to rest only 10 seconds. So I hope you prepare your mind, all right, for this routine because it's not going to be easy. When do I ever give you easy six-pack exercises? I never do, okay? But always prepare your mind, believe that you could do it, okay? I know that you could do it. You want a six-pack, right? Do you want a six-pack? Well, you need to believe that you're going to complete this exercise. It's not going to be easy, I know, all right? So before we start, make sure you drink some water, all right? Stay hydrated, all right? And let's get started. All right, so let me get my timer. I'm going to set this for 9 sets, okay? 20 seconds for each set and 10 seconds in between sets, okay? All right, so when you hear the buzzer, I want you to start, okay? Because this is a 5-second countdown. And the first exercise that we're doing is the high crunches. Second exercise is the leg raises. And the third exercise is the toe touch, okay? So,
all right, 4, 3, high crunch, and start. All right, do it as fast as you could, okay? Make sure you're breathing. Take deep breaths, deep breaths. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Touch the sky or touch the ceiling. Try to touch the sky or the ceiling. Let's go. Awesome.
All right, second exercise is the leg raises, okay?
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fast as you could. Make sure you're breathing, okay? Do not touch the floor, all right? You can stop 1 inch before you touch the floor, but try not to touch the floor, all right?
Oh my gosh, that's not easy. All right, and I just did a six-pack exercise routine before I did this video.
All right, toe touch. Let's start. All right, do it as fast as you could, okay? Take deep breaths. You can do it. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. My abs are burning.
Oh yes. All right, first set, okay? Now to set number 2, we're going to the high crunch again. We're almost there, okay?
Almost there. All right? Fast as you could. All right, try to touch the ceiling. Breathe, 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 breathe. Keep your abs tight. Take deep breaths, come on, come on. Good job, good job.
Second exercise is the leg raises.
Let's go. Let's go. Deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths. Keep going. Do not stop. If you need to slow down, all right, well, slow down, okay? There you go.
Third exercise, toe touch, okay?
All right, start. Breathe, breathe, breathe. If you need to slow down, that is fine, but just don't stop, okay? Abs tight. Keep your abs contracted.
All right, last exercise. I mean, last set.
Back to the high crunch. Let's go. Oh, almost there. 1, 2, I mean, sorry. I'm not supposed to count. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, my abs on fire. Breathe, breathe, okay? Always breathe.
Oh my gosh, that burns. Oh my gosh, that burns so bad.
All right, second exercise, the leg raises. Almost there. 2 more exercises. Let's go. Breathe. Make sure you're breathing. Breathing is very important. When you breathe, the oxygen is transported to your muscles so that it can force you to keep going.
All right, last exercise. Come on, make this your best exercise, your best set. Let's go.
Let's go. Fast. Fast as you could, okay? Breathe, breathe, contract, touch the toes. If you want to make it harder, just extend your legs out more. Let's go. Let's go. Almost done. Almost done. Almost there, y'all. Almost there. Oh, good job, good job. Oh my gosh, that burns so bad. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that burns. Good job, good job. I'm very proud of you. You have completed this short but effective six-pack routine, okay? Remember what I said, all right? You need to practice good dieting habits, okay? In order to lose weight, diet is the #1 factor, okay? So make sure that you're eating healthier, all right? If you want to lose weight. All right, guys, so like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's @ToStayInShape. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, because you're missing out on important information that will help you to accomplish your fitness goals, okay? All right, guys, so leave comments down below. Tell me if you like this six-pack routine or not, all right? I might need to adjust it for y'all, okay? So I'll see y'all next time. Peace.